There are infinite varieties or infinite recipes that you can make out of pasta. But one of the more popular ones is pasta arrabbiata. And I'm going to add a little bit of chicken to it to make it how I like it. So I've got some olive oil in here. Next goes in garlic. So once my garlic is cooked, I'm going to add a few pieces of chicken to it. So this is boneless chicken breast pieces. So some nice tender chicken pieces to this. Just saute them slightly. So I'm going to add a little bit of chili flakes to start off so that they cook in the oil along with my chicken. And you can really make it as fiery spicy as you want. So good tomato concasse. So some nice tomato concasse to it. And to that I'm going to add a bit of the tomato puree just to give it a nice texture. Let it cook for a while. So some nice basil here, fresh basil. That goes in. So some thyme as well. So the chicken is almost cooked. The tomatoes are all nicely blended in. What's next? Next is my pasta. I don't enjoy pasta when it's just boiled and just added to the sauce. I like the pasta to be cooked slightly into the sauce so it absorbs all the flavor of the sauce. So all these pastas, flat pastas, go very well with the tomato sauce. Seasoning and some freshly ground pepper. Just a little bit of water just to ensure that the pasta is nice and moist. Lovely. And before you finish the pasta, you should always add a bit of the olive oil. It gives it a nice glaze plus a nice fresh aroma. And the pasta is absolutely ready now. So let's plate it. Some cheese on top. A bit of the olive oil sprinkling on top. Some nice basil on top. So a few olives here and there. And your pasta, your penne arrabbiata with chicken is absolutely ready.